Hi guys, just looking at the junk that's piled up on the table here at the moment, and I was looking at this which originally came from a propeller driven car kit. I think the bits are still here somewhere. Yeah, that's the wheels, but I've also got this piece of cardboard that came with something I bought in Poundland the other day. I just wondered if I tape that on there, just put it in the light. Oh, that's a bit bright. Yeah, if I just tape that straight on there, will it climb vertically like a helicopter? It needs to have enough area there to stop the propeller spinning it the opposite way, because when the propeller is trying to spin that way, at the same time it will be turning the body the opposite way, so you need that to resist the turn in the opposite direction. Otherwise it just spins and doesn't go up in the air. I expect rather than waffle, it'd be better if I just put a bit of tape on there and we give it a try, see if it works. Alright, bit of sticky tape. Just to hold it in place. Wind it up and see if it'll fly vertically. Because it's 11 o'clock at night, so we can't go and try it outdoors. So we just have to see if it works in the kitchen. Try not to hit any of the lights. That's all I want to do. Just stand it up like that. I suppose I could do it just here. Don't want to go too far winding it up, because we haven't got very high to go. Maybe a little bit more than that though. It looked like it wanted to go up. I think that was about 90 turns. I have done something like this before, and there's also Science Toy Maker shows you how to make a nice one out of bits of foam. So I'll put a link in the video description to that build. Yeah, that climbs. I'll just move the camera a bit and see if we can go from the floor to the ceiling. Right, I'll go and move back there a bit, hold it on the floor and see if we can hit the ceiling. Try that again. Well, the answer is yes, that works. The question will be, can we make one from scratch? Because obviously we're using a ready-made piece here. So I'll do a separate episode where I'll use something like a drinking straw and make the propeller, and see if we can do another little helicopter, rubber band powered helicopter.